What is Penang International Airport? When people travel to Penang, they usually mean Penang Island, where most of the island's famous attractions are located. Penang International Airport is the main airport serving Penang. It is located about 18 kilometers south of Georgetown and serves as an important gateway to northern Malaysia. Although there are direct flights to Penang, many travelers first fly to Kuala Lumpur and then take a connecting flight to Penang. In this video, we will show you the international arrival and driver pickup process at Penang International Airport. After getting off the plane, simply follow the signs for baggage reclaim and escalator. Here you will make a U-turn and take the escalator up to level 3. As you walk through the corridor, you will see signs reminding passengers to prepare their Malaysia Digital Arrival Card in advance to help shorten the waiting time at immigration. Before taking the escalator down from level 3 to level 2, you will first pass through the health screening entry point, where temperature checks and visual observation may be conducted. After the health screening, take the escalator from level 3 to level 2, and then another escalator down to level 1, where the immigration inspection area is located. If your flight arrives around midnight, there are usually only a few passengers waiting at immigration. However, during busy hours, international travelers may face long lines, and waiting times can sometimes exceed 1 or even 2 hours. Previously, the E-gates, also known as auto gates, were available only to Malaysian citizens. However, under a new policy, returning travelers from 63 countries are now also allowed to use the E-gates.
After passing through immigration, you will arrive at the baggage reclaim area. Overhead screens display the arriving flight numbers and their corresponding baggage carousels. Find your flight number on the screen and proceed to the correct carousel to collect your luggage. Once you have your bags, continue to the customs inspection area. Most passengers can simply walk through the green channel if they have nothing to declare. After clearing customs, follow the signs to the arrival exit. When you walk out of the exit, your driver will be waiting for you in the arrival hall. Look for a sign with your name, and your driver will then escort you to the vehicle in the parking area.